Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain how to revise contraceptive methods within 10 minutes. See, contraceptive methods are the methods which are available to prevent pregnancy or conception. There are two important methods. First one is temporary method and second one is permanent method. First, let us move towards temporary method. In this, first is natural method of contraception. It relies on avoiding the chances of sperm and ovum meeting. In that, first is periodic abstinence. This means abstain from coitus during 10 to 17th day of menstrual cycle. Why? Because this period is called fertile period. The second natural method is coitus interrupts or withdrawal method. Here, male partner withdraws his penis to avoid insemination. And the third is lactational amenorrhea. Here, the absence of menstruation can be seen during lactation, but chances of failures are also seen in this case. Next, let us move towards the second temporary method, that is barrier method. Here, the ovum and sperms are prevented from meeting physically by barrier. One such method is condoms, which is made up of rubber or latex and which is available for both males and females. These condoms are disposable, self-insertable, which gives privacy to the user. One such popular brand is Nerode. Next, diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults. They are reusable, which is made up of rubber, which is used to cover cervix, which blocks the entry of sperms. Next is spermacidal creams, foams and jellies. These are all used along with barriers which blocks the opening of cervix and increases the contraceptive efficiency. Next is oral pills. See, pills are taken orally. They are nothing else but the small doses of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination, and these pills have to be taken every day for a period of 21 days, that is starting from 5th day of menstruation. These pills inhibit ovulation and implantation. They alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperms. Next is about Saheli. It is a weekly once pill developed by CDRI, that means Central Drug Research Institute, which is in Lucknow. The Saheli contains non-steroidal preparation which is used by females. Next is IUDs, intrauterine devices. These are the most widely accepted temporary method in India. See, IUDs are the devices which are inserted by doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through vagina. There are three different types of IUDs. First is non-medicated IUDs in this lip loop. Second is copper releasing IUDs in this copper T, copper 7 and multi-load 375. Next is hormone releasing IUDs or hormonal IUDs in this progestasert LNG 20. See, this IUDs increases phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. The copper releasing IUDs will release copper ions, and this copper ion suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity. And hormonal IUDs make uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to sperms. These IUDs are used by females to delay pregnancy and space children. Next, let us learn about implants. See, these implants are also progesterone or progesterone-estrogen combination which is placed under the skin. And these implants are effective, and usually that effective period is much longer. Next, there are some emergency contraceptives also, such as progesterone or progesterone-estrogen combination, and that should be taken within 72 hours of coitus. Next, let us move towards the permanent methods. In this, surgical method or sterilization also we can call them. In that, first is vasectomy or male sterilization. See, this is a surgical method for males, and here a small portion of vas deferens is removed or tied up through small incision on the scrotum. This prevents the release of sperms. Next is tubectomy or female sterilization. It is a surgical method for females. Here a small part of fallopian tube is removed surgically through small incision in abdomen region or through vagina. Keep a note on it. Surgical methods are highly effective, but their reversibility is very poor. Next is regarding the ill effects of contraceptive. See, these contraceptives may cause nausea, abdominal pain, or breakthrough bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding, or else breast cancer. So this is about the contraceptive methods, both temporary methods as well as permanent methods. Hope this helped you. Thank you.